Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to online CRT classes. Today we are going to discuss Vedic Maths Part 4. So previous parts we discussed almost all about 5 square. Ending number is 5. Then square how we are going to do. And then multiplication of 99999 and multiplication of there's 3 types is there. 3 types we discussed. And multiplication of 11. Then squaring of the 11. Then two-digit multiplication with a special pattern, and then multiplication of 1230 and multiplication of two-digit numbers in a different pattern. Okay, here come to this one. So multiplication of 1213 we discussed yesterday, and this is the same method we are following for up to 19. For example, see 2013 here. So in the same way, how many digits is there? 2 digits is there, right? So 2 digits is there. Then we have to add 1 0 in the starting and ending. So 0 2 0 1 3 0. I'm adding. Then as usual by 11 12 13 what we are doing, 2 digits means 2 digits we are adding, right? The two digits we are adding. So these 2 digits, just see, first 2 digits we are adding. In 11 directly we are adding, and 12 13 we are adding the second number into 2, 13 second number into 3, like that 4 5 up to 9. So here 16, right? So second number into 6. So 3 into 6 18, right? 18 plus 0 18. So 1 carry 8 here. Okay, and these two, second number is 1 here. 6 into 1, 6 plus 3 9 plus 1 1 0. So 1 carry 0 here. Then these two, 6 into 0, second number is 0 right here. So 6 into 0, 0 plus 1 1. Here carries there 1, so 2. And in this 2, so 6 into 2, 12 plus 0 12 only, 1 is there, 2 is here. Now remaining last 2, so second digit is 0, 6 into 0 plus 2. So here it is 2 plus, here 1 is there, carry 3. So this will be the answer. The same procedure, what we saw yesterday, 12 13, that way 14 up to 19, it's the same procedure. Just add zeros. How many zeros means based on the digits. So 2 digits is there, we are adding 1 0. 3 digits is there, we are adding 2 zeros. 4 digits will be there, then we are adding 3 zeros, just less than 1. Okay, then after that, after adding the zeros, we are adding two digits like this. Okay, it's clear now. So up to 19 it's the same. You just try with some more problems, you will get the good answers. Okay, then consider the next one. Squares 90 to 110 square values. Yesterday, previous class we saw that is 50 to 40 to 60 squares, right? So 40 to 60 squares based on 50 square. Based on 50 square means 50 square is nothing but 2500. If you know this, then we can find out the values of 40 to 50 square. So how? 46 square. If you want to find the 46 square, what's the difference? Minus 4, right? Minus 4. And 4 square is nothing but 16. So it's nothing but we are dividing two parts here, like this. So for these two digits we are adding, and for 25 we are adding minus 4. So here the difference is minus 4. So 21 16 is the answer. In the same way, just keep this aside. In the same way here also, based on the 100 square, what's the 100 square? 10,000. So 10,000 you just take, and 10,000 100 square is nothing but 10,000. So this 10,000 I'm taking two parts. One is 100 and another 2 digits, just like it 25 2 zeros, right? So I am 100 and 2 zeros. Now so if you want to find out the 96 square, so previously 46 square, what's the difference? 4, right? So here also, what's the difference? Minus 4. But here, this is double that number, right? that is 50 and this is 100. So double that number. So you have to double that difference also into 2. Okay, what's into 2? Then what will get minus 8? This is the difference. Okay, you have to consider this is the number you have to subtract from 100. Actually, difference is 4 only. Difference is 4 only. And only double that difference from subtracting from 100. So, and what's the difference? 4. Difference is 4 only. 4 square, 16, right? So now the number 100 and 00. This is nothing but 10,000 now. I'm writing 100 and 00. Okay. And this is minus 8 and here 16. Okay, 16. Then 100 minus 8, 92 and 16 as it is 16. So this will be the answer. See, here what's the difference? Just we are subtracting the number is there, right? So previously 46 is the difference is 4. Directly that 4 we are subtracting from 25. But here we are subtracting that 4 is double that 4, then subtracting. That's it. But square value is the same. Okay. This will be the what? Square value. Okay. Then we'll see some more examples, then you people will understand easily. Then 93. What's the difference? 7 minus 7. Double that number. So it is minus 14. Okay. And 7 square is nothing but 49. Then 100 and 00. 100 minus 14 and 00 means nothing but 49. Then it is 86, 49 will be the answer. Okay. We'll check some more numbers. Then you people will get better idea. 94 square. What's the difference? 6 minus 6 into 2. What's that? Minus 12. And what's the 6 square? 36 as it is. Okay. Now 100 and 00. What's that 00? Don't forget. I'm just giving the space for that one. Okay. 10,000 I'm writing like this. 100 and 00. 100. From 100, the minus 12 we are taking, and for 00, 36 is there. Now it is 88 and 36. The answer will be 94 square is nothing but 88, 36. And this is less than 100 numbers. 92, 100. Okay, even 99 also same process. And we'll check more than 100. So above the 100, 102 square. What's the difference? 2, right? Plus 2. Plus 2. So 2 into 2. 4. Okay. And 2 square. What's the 2 square? Don't write only 4. Here we require 2 digits. 04 you have to write. 04. Because here 2 digits is there. We require. Okay. 04. Then 100. What's the difference? 4. Right? The difference 4. And 00. It's not 100 00. It is just 10,000. Here I'm saying. Okay. This is nothing but 04. So 100 plus 4, 104, and 04 is the answer. Okay. Same like this. Just make that some more examples. 107. What's the difference? Plus 7 into 2. Into 2. Then what's that? Plus 14. Okay. Then 00. What's that? 00? 7 square, 49. Okay. Then 100 00. So 100 plus 14. Here plus 14. And 00 is nothing but 49. So 114 and 49. This will be the answer. So here, one more example is 104. Okay. So what's the difference? Plus 4 into 2. That means plus 8. Clear? So 2 zeros is here. 4 square is nothing but 16. Okay. 100 and 00. And here plus 8. 00 is nothing but 16. So 108, 108, 16 will be the answer. So like this, you have to add the double the number, difference after double that number, then you can get easy answer, right? So do you understand, everyone? Is it clear? Can you move to the next one? Next trick. So here, Vedic mathematics, many tricks we have. You have many tricks, number of tricks to multiplications, dividing, everything. But I'm here focusing on multiples and squaring the number. Generally, multiples is facing the problem. See here, I'm going to clear this. If you want to multiply with this number 14, 16, in general way, 6 into this and 1 into this, or 16 into all this, adding, subtracting. This is lengthy process. You can solve easily like that. Now here, base multiplication. Base multiplication. Base multiplication is based on the base value. What is the base value? You know the base value of decimal, octal, hexa, binary, right? So binary is 2, hexa is 16, octal is 8, and decimal is 10. So like that. Here also we are consider the base value first of all. Then we are going to multiply that two numbers, any two numbers, with this concept, vertically and crosswise proportionality. Okay, this concept, based on this concept, we are going to multiply two numbers. So here we are going to see the base value 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. So you people know only base values of binary 2, octal is 8, and hexa 16, and decimal 10, right? So 0 to 10, sorry, 0 to 9 is base 10. So up to 99, base 100, okay, and 999 is base 1000, okay, like this. So based on these base values, 10, 100, 1000, we can do the multiplication very easily. Okay, I'll give the example of it. Suppose, think, if they ask 12 into 30 or 12 into 14, okay, 12 into 14, how we are going to perform? I can write 12 and 14 like this. And see, I said base value. The base value is 0 to 9 is 10, right? 10, okay. And this number 12 and 14 is nearby this value, right? Nearby this value only, right? Okay. I can consider this is the base 10 nearby value, but it is more than the base value. What's the base value? 10. It is more than the base value. How much it is extra? Plus 2, right? And here, plus 4. The base value is 4, base value is 10, and I have 14. That means 4 is extra. So based on this, remember, first of all, you have to consider the both numbers, what they given, 12 here, 14 here. So it is base value is 10. So it is more than 10. So how much it is? Plus 2. It is also more than 10. How much it is? Plus 4. So sign is very important here. Sign is very important. Then the process is nothing but vertical calculations. This is a vertical calculation. What is a 2 into 4? 8, right? 8. And then no need of multiplying, crossing, cross multiplication, then add this multiplication, nothing. Just add these two or add this two, any one thing. So 12 plus 4 also 16, 14 plus 2 also 16. The both will give the same value. You can add only one. 14 plus 2, it's 16. So the answer will be 168. See here, 2 into 4, I said only 8. I didn't take 0.8. Why? I didn't take 0.8. Why? Because here base value is single digit. Base value is single digit, 0 to 9 only. So here in a shortcut, we have only 1 0. We have only 1 0. That means single digit. So you have to consider 8. Okay, 8 only. Okay, now I'll explain with another example if people will better understand. Suppose, think 18 into 17, if they ask like this, then 18 I write like this and 17 here. It is plus 8 and this will be plus 7. Right. So this is 7 is more, it is 8 is more. Okay, compared to 10. So base value is 10. Right? Cross multiplication. Sorry, vertical multiplication. It's nothing but 8 into 7, 56. Okay. And just add these two or add these two. Anything, your wish. So 18 plus 7, 25. But here, if you are taking directly, we are getting 25, 5, 6. So it is wrong answer, right? So why it is wrong answer? See here, 8 into 7, 56 we are getting. But I said 10, only 1 0. That means single digit were required, single digit. What about this 5 then? This is always moving to the next one. It is like a carry. So here we have to write 8 into 7, 56. 56 and 17 plus 8, 25 plus 5, 30. So this will be the answer. Okay, this is nothing but add this carry. It is a carry. So whenever if you 10 base numbers only why 1 digit we required here. After multiplication, vertical multiplication, we require only 1 digit. Okay, if 2 digits is there, the second digit will be carry forward to the next number. Okay, it's very, very important. Remember this. Okay, is it clear? Now save. We'll check with some more problems. Then what's that? Base 10, base 100, 1000 and 10,000. So in every base value multiplication, it is 3 types. How many types? It will be 3 types. So first, type 1. What the type 1 means? Both the numbers is less than the base value. Both the numbers is less than the base value. Suppose I consider the base value is 100. Then the given the problem is multiplication 92 into 97. They given like this. So these both are the numbers are less than 100, right? So that means less than base value. Is it clear? Less than the base value. Now, same procedure for that maybe base 10 or base 100, 1000, whatever it is, same procedure. Vertical crossing. And 92 I'm writing. And how much it is less here? Minus 8. Sign is very important. Sign is very important. Minus 8. And next one. 97. Here also, it is also less than 100, less than base value. What is the difference? Minus 3. Okay, minus 3. Now, what we have to do here? Consider this vertical multiplication. Vertical multiplication. 8 into 3. Minus 8 into minus 3. 24. Okay. 24. And add these two or these two. Anything is okay. Anything is okay. The same value will get. So 92 minus 3 is nothing but 89. 89. This is our answer. So here I consider 2 digits. Here I consider 2 digits. I'm not adding this 2 as a carry. 8 into 3, 24, right? I'm considered 2 digits. Why? Because here the value is 100. The base value is 100. So how many zeros is there? 2 zeros is there. So 2 digits were required. 2 digits were required. Clear? So that's the reason I consider like this. Now, I'll show you the better example. Suppose it is also 98. Now, check this. What's the difference here? 2 and same 97. So same procedure, vertical multiplication. Minus 2 into minus 3. It is 6. Okay. And add these two or add these two. Anything is okay. 97 minus 2, 95. Is it right answer? No. Why? 2 into 3 is only 6, but we require 2 digits. So 100 is nothing but 2 digits is there. So 2 zeros we require. So 2 digits we require. So 6 has to consider 06. Okay, 06. Now the 2 digits is be there. So 9506 is the answer. Okay, is it clear now? I think you people will clear this one. Then we'll see some more examples. Not only in the 92, 97. You can take anyone, anything. 87 also. Okay, or 86 you can say. 86. Okay. Now it is minus 92, right? 92. 92. What's the difference? 8. Clear? And here 97. Sorry, 86, right? 86. What's the difference? 14. So 14. So now cross multiplication, same process, vertical multiplication. It is nothing but 8 into 14. It's 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. Now just take a part. 1, 1, 2. Now here 86 or this one or this one. Anything is okay. That's your wish. So 86 minus 8 is nothing but 78, right? 78. But it is wrong answer. Why? If you are multiplying 8 into 14, I am getting 112. 112. It is more than 2 digits. I said in 100 only we require two zeros. I mean 2 digits. So 2 digits were considered, and this one as a carry. So it is added to the 78. So 7912 is the answer. Is it clear now? If you got three numbers, then the last number is carry. Last number is carry. Okay. Then if you want, you can check it. Okay. This is a type 1 question. Then come to the part of type 2. Right. So type 2 is nothing but more than the 100. I mean more than the base value. So both will be the more than base value. Here now just type 1, the 90s or 80s, whatever we saw, there is both numbers. The both numbers is both numbers are less than base value. Okay, now we are going to see both numbers are more than base value. It's 103 into 110. Okay, 110. Now how we are going to consider same thing, same process here also. Here also same process, but you need to remember sign is very important. What is this? More than the base value. That means plus 3. Plus 3. Now 110 plus 10. It is 10 is more, right? Now vertical calculation. This is number 3 into 10. 30. Okay. And add this or add this. Anything is okay. 110 plus 3. 113. 113. This will be the answer. So here I got only 2 digits. If multiplying 3 into 10, it's only 2 digits, right? So 2 digits means it is 100, 2 digits is same. So we can cancel like this. Okay. If you want to check more numbers, I mean more problems. See here. 107 into 112. Okay. Now, give an answer for this. 107. Okay. What is the highest value? The 7. 7 is more, right? So 112. What's the highest value? Plus 12. Okay. First, you just consider numbers and then how it is more than the base value or how it is less than the base value. It is very important. Okay. Now check it. So vertical multiplication. What's the vertical multiplication? 7 into 12. Plus both are plus only 7 into 12 is nothing but 84. Okay, 84. And add these two or add these two. So both will be same. So 112 plus 7 is nothing but 119. 119 is the answer. So 119, 84. So this is type 2 problems. Okay. And even that we can use for 1000 and even can use 1000 and 10,000 also the same values. Okay. Here also you can say, suppose for example, is 992 into 990. So what is this here? It is 992. What is the difference? Minus 8, right? Minus 8. It's a base 1000 and 990. What's the difference? Minus 10. So same here also. We can consider. So 8 into 10. It is nothing but minus 8 into minus 10. 80. Okay. 80. And here 90 minus this one. 1990 minus this one. It's nothing but 982. But think here, it is 1001, right? 1001. How many digits is there? 3. So if you are multiplying these two, we need three digits. So here you got only 80. So keep 0 here. Then this will be your answer. Okay. So like this, you have to multiply the numbers in type 1, type 2. And type 3 we'll discuss tomorrow. Okay. I hope you people will understand this one and make this Vedic mathematics helps you to calculate it simply. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye bye now.